Today, I'll talk about our paper titled Hacking, Switching, Combining: Understanding and Supporting DIY Assistive Technology Design by Blind People. In this video, I'll highlight some of our findings with illustrated examples. Current AI-based assistive technologies can address simple and common use cases, but they tend to assume universal needs of BVI people and are thus one-size-fits-all rather than accounting for unique differences and desires. To illustrate this, we show one example given by P1 where they wanted to use Seeing AI to sort mail. However, when they scanned the envelope, instead of just reading out the information that was relevant to P1, the app frustrated P1 by reading all the text it could see repetitively. In response, P1 imagined being able to filter text based on specific, relevant properties. To address these unique needs, the primary goal of this work is to better understand current assistive technology customization and tinkering behaviors so that they might be better supported by future DIY technology creation systems. Specifically, we aim to answer the following research questions. First, why do BVI people customize existing assistive technology? Second, how do BVI people customize and hack assistive technologies currently? And finally, how would BVI people envision creating assistive technology in the future? We answered these three questions through a multi-part qualitative study. First, we conducted an interview with participants on their current use of existing assistive technologies, focusing on cases where they customized, created, or hacked assistive technology to suit a unique need. Next, we conducted a 2-week diary study where we asked participants to record assistive technology use. With these first two parts, we aim to answer research questions 1 and 2. Finally, we conducted a second interview asking participants to envision creating new assistive applications and technologies for their day-to-day tasks and provide their thoughts on the concept of DIY assistive technology, addressing research question 3. As part of our results, we note that participants regularly engage in the design of assistive technologies by adapting them to their needs through various strategies. One of these strategies we call hacking, where participants used creative use cases to accomplish new tasks. For example, P4 described a situation where they wanted to organize books on their shelf. As a solution, P4 drew simple labels as a set of shapes on sticky notes. They then placed these on their bookshelves so that each label corresponded with a genre of books. Finally, they used Seeing AI to read these labels when needed. This is a DIY approach to creating labels that can be accessed non-visually, created by P4 as they became blind. P4 eventually hoped to move from this hacking approach to DIY labels to tactile labels. However, the DIY labels served it as an important workaround before they had access to tactile labels. In this way, P4 engaged in the assistive technology design process. As another part of our results, we asked participants to imagine future assistive technologies. For example, P5 imagined a future system to connect various tasks encountered when following a recipe, such as finding ingredients and reading information on packages. P5 imagined creating a tool that would allow them to seamlessly request assistance with each step. For example, if they needed to locate an ingredient, they could immediately open the camera and scan for that specific object. P5 also imagined a new feature where they could add their own tags to objects and save them for later use. For example, they could tag a group of seasonings that they used in a recipe and then find them by that tag when they needed them next. Participants generated a wide range of ideas for different tasks using different technologies. To give another example, P3 described trouble taking an at-home COVID test, but not wanting to use remote assistance for their privacy. P3 wished that there was a way to access the instructions digitally instead. They also wished that the test itself could make a noise alerting them to the result. In this work, we presented an understanding of how BVI people currently engage in assistive technology customization and design, and how they envision DIYing assistive technology in the future.